to a little car meet with the homie C-Rod. Him and his crew are setting it up. So I'll try to make this vlog like a sort of like a raw one. Shit, I thought that was a cop. I've been driving the Skyline a little too much. Every time I get a day off, I go ahead and drive it. And for those of you who don't know, the turning signals are on the right instead of on the left. So I just freaking messed up like 3 times thinking that the turning signals are on the other side. I'm gonna try to surprise the boys with something. See if I can get a reaction out of them. Alright, this is gonna be fucking sketchy, but see, nobody calls the cops on me. What's up? I don't think I'm scaring anybody. I can't see shit. Oh, fuck, it's hot in there. Whew. Alright,
we're out here, KCP, cruise through people, out here having a little pop-up, see how it goes out, you know what I mean? Getting it started early. Hopefully, you know, everybody shows up later on during the day. See what today brings. The sun is making it turn different, you know?
Sick. What have you done to it? Where's your little dog, man?
Oh, I didn't bring him today. Damn, I know. Need to bring him. I should have brought him out.
TV. Damn. I think one of my homies was trying to do that.
Yeah.
But he wanted to put his little tablet to watch Fast and the Furious.
Oh shit. That'd be sick.
Any people out? Yeah. Let's see what these guys are up to. What's up, guys? Whose car is this? Yours?
Yeah.
What's up, dude? What's your name?
Daniel.
Daniel?
Luis. Luis.
Luis?
Kenny.
Kenny? Cool.
Caesar, bro.
Luis. Daniel.
You mind if I check out your ride?
Nice, nice. Hell yeah, dude.
Damn.
Sounds nice. I heard you cruising by a few times.
Yeah, I was trying to figure out where you guys were.
Yeah, we're trying to.
I think
we're usually over there.
I think we were both lost because we were going back and forth.
Yeah,
That
right.
was it's usually over there, but it's just like a new location, like a new spot.
Clean, clean.
So
Oh, it's just turbo?
Like 10, you know what I mean?
Damn.
So like literally all these fucking lights turn on and fucking literally
Damn, everybody's pulling up.
10, 9, 10. Well, I mean, it's the kind of
Everybody's rolling up.
Yeah,
favor?
Yeah.
You guys just don't fuck up my car?
Of course not. Yeah, that's
Check the
bro.
scene.
Yeah,
I'm on the scene
definitely.
like up.
Oh, nice. Of course not. More respect. Lovely, man. Thank you. Appreciate it for that. You know what I mean? No, nothing stupid like that. Yeah, definitely. We got you though. Respect, man. Thank you. Appreciate it.
We got approved.
Yes, we did. Which is good. We got approved.
It's more and more cars, guys.
What up? What up, bro?
Oh, McDonald's.
Hey, what up, bro? How you doing?
Good.
Brought the Evo out?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Trying to get the rats out of there. Yo. I guess it was just him. Nope, there's a Civic too. I haven't really shown them the car. That wrap is freaking sick. How you doing, man?
Good,
We
yourself?
saw you from a mile away.
Yeah, you sure it was me? I just kept driving. I didn't know which parking lot. It's like, not that one. I don't see that one.
Well, this
It's
guy
not
told
that
me a soccer field, or there's like soccer fields over
one.
there.
The whole,
Yeah,
the whole
you're
thing's
right.
a soccer field.
Yeah, you're right. Hey, how are you, man?
Good, yourself?
Nice. Lovely to see your car today.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's looking fresh.
Yeah, I watched her.
Nice. That's good.
Damn, what do you guys think of this wing?
Yeah, huh?
So the biggest problem I have with this car,
Yeah.
with the
We're doing some runs, Mexico. I'm glad you came back, Jose. He took a few, he already had a few runs, so I don't know if he got any of mine. I ran an RSX twice, pretty good match. That was a good, really good match. You know, the lineup of the cars. And we got some more behind us too. We're in a pack. Just having some fun, making sure everybody's safe. Where's he at? Oh, there he is. Freaking 12:32. See, now we're gonna go head back because we're pretty far. And I'm running out of corn juice. Watch where you going, shoe. Watch where you going. I wonder if this gas station has some E85, because I sure need some. Some good shit out here. Hey, I need some elote juice. Gotta go, guys. Freaking cops showed up.